What if I told you the secret to fighting cancer might already be in your kitchen? Not an expensive pill, not a risky treatment, but something so tiny, yet so powerful. It can block cancer cells before they spread. Today, I'll reveal 6 miracle seeds that science says can help fight cancer naturally and how you can add them to your diet starting today. Stay with me because the last one is the most powerful of them all. As we do that, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty. They are loaded with lignans, plant compounds that can block estrogen receptors in the body. Why is this important? High estrogen levels have been linked to breast cancer and prostate cancer. Flax seeds help keep those hormones balanced. How to use it? Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seed to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Don't eat them whole. Grinding them releases the nutrients your body needs. Studies show women who eat flax seeds daily have lower breast cancer risk and improved survival rates. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are not just for weight loss. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that stop inflammation. And inflammation is a big driver of cancer growth. Why it works? Cancer cells love sugar. Chia seeds slow down sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar and starving cancer cells. How to use it? Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water overnight and add to your breakfast. Mix them into yogurt for an anti-cancer snack. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which strengthens your immune system, your first line of defense against cancer cells. Here's an extra benefit. They also contain plant-based compounds that may help reduce prostate cancer risk in men. How to use it? Snack on a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds daily. Blend into smoothies for a nutty taste and immune boost. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells and can lead to cancer. Add them to salads or sprinkle on roasted veggies. Just avoid salted versions. Too much sodium is bad for your heart. 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds contain sesame and sesamolin, which have strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They also boost liver health, helping your body detox harmful substances that could lead to cancer. How to use it? Add tahini, which is sesame seed paste, to your meals. Sprinkle sesame seeds on stir fry or rice bowls. 6. Apricot seeds. Apricot seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, sometimes referred to as vitamin B17. It's believed to target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells alone. But here is a warning. Apricot seeds can be toxic in large amounts, so always check with your doctor before using them. For better alternative, eat 2 to 3 seeds a day maximum or choose apricot seed oil for cooking. And here are 2 more bonuses for you. 7. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are often called a complete protein source because they contain all 9 essential amino acids, plus a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Why is this important for cancer prevention? Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which helps slow down the growth of cancer cells. Hemp seeds also support healthy cell membranes, making it harder for cancer cells to invade. How to use it? Sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, smoothies, or oatmeal. Add hemp seed oil to your salad dressings for an anti-inflammatory boost. 8. Black cumin seeds. Black cumin seeds, also known as Nigella sativa, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research shows they have thymoquinone, a compound that fights cancer cells and reduces tumor growth. They also boost the immune system and help detoxify the body. How to use it? Take half teaspoon of black cumin seed oil in warm water daily. Sprinkle the seeds in soups or mix them into honey for extra benefits. Why it's powerful? Studies have found black cumin seed extract can slow the spread of breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer cells. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Anti-inflammatory compounds reduce chronic inflammation, which is a cancer trigger. Hormone regulation helps prevent hormone-driven cancers. Boosting immunity makes your body stronger to fight abnormal cells. Cancer doesn't start overnight, it grows silently, feeding on poor diet and inflammation. But today, you have the power to fight back naturally. These seeds are not magic bullets, but they are powerful allies. So starting today, pick at least 2 of these seeds and make them part of your daily routine. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more senior health tips that can save lives. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.